displacement. Now the next topic is average velocity and average speed. Average speed and average velocity. So first of all, what is average speed? Average speed. Average speed, that is total distance upon total time. For example, if any object is moving with varying velocity, so if it is moving sometime faster, sometime very slow, then in that case average speed is calculated as total distance upon total time. You can write it like this: d1 upon plus d2 plus d3 and so on. Total distance upon total time, t1 plus t2 plus t3 and so on. Similarly, average speed. So this is the formula for speed. And you know one thing, speed is equal to, very important, speed is equal to velocity. Speed is equal to velocity if the object is moving along a straight line. If the object is moving on a straight line, this speed is equal to velocity. So here we are calculating the value for average speed. This will be applicable for velocity as well if the object is moving on a straight line. So average speed, this is the first formula. This is second formula for average speed in the case if the distance is not given, only the velocity is given and time is given. In that case, if you multiply velocity with the first velocity with the first time, suppose if any object is moving moving 20 km per hour speed for 30 minutes, in the next 40 minutes it is moving with a velocity of 100 km per hour. In that case, you are not knowing the distance, but you can calculate it with the help of velocity into time. The first velocity into first time will give you the first distance. The second velocity into second time will give you the second distance upon this time 1 plus time 2. So total distance upon total time. So this is the second formula if the velocity and time are given, if distance are not given. And this is second formula, again the third formula. This is second formula, this is first formula, and this is third formula if distance and velocity are given, time is not given. In that case, average velocity will be calculated like this. And these formulas are for non-uniform motion. These formulas for when the speed of the object is changing instantaneously. These are the formula. If the speed is changing very uniformly, this is when the speed of the object is changing suddenly. This formula, this total formula, these three formula are when the speed or velocity changes suddenly. When the speed or velocity changes suddenly, this formula is applicable. One more thing, if the speed is changing with uniformly, if the speed is changing uniformly, in that case the average velocity or speed is equal to u plus v upon 2. Average velocity or speed. Velocity, you can also write velocity because velocity and speed are same if they are traveling in a straight line. If the object is changing its speed uniformly with some acceleration, in that case this will be the formula for average speed. Now we will do some questions based on this. For uniformly changing velocity, you can write, you can see here, for uniformly changing velocity, average velocity is equal to u plus v by 2. Now next question is the speed of a body. So suppose Now do one question. Speed of a body in meter per second. Find the speed of a body if it travels 40 kilometer in 5 hours. 40 kilometer in 5 hours. First in kilometer per hour and second also in meter per second. So you have to convert kilometer per hour in meter per second. So first of all, here the speed v is equal to distance upon time. So distance is how much? 40 kilometer. And the time is how much? 5 hours. So you will get 5 8 ja 40. So 8 kilometer per hour. In the next question B part, that is you have to convert this in meter per second. So for converting kilometer per hour into meter per second, I will first write kilometer per hour into meter per second. Kilometer per hour into 5 by 18 is equal to meter per second. If you are going to convert kilometer per hour in meter per second, multiply it with 5 by 18. So here 8 kilometer per hour is given. 8 kilometer per hour is given. So multiply it with 5 by 18. You will get it in the meter per second. So 8 5 ja 40 upon 18 meter per second. I will erase this. Now the next question is a car travels 20 km in first hour. Question number 2. You have to calculate the average speed. A car travels 40 km in first hour, 20 km in second hour, and 30 km in third hour. Find average speed. So we have to calculate the average speed. So you know here the first we know that the formula average speed is equal to d1 plus d2 plus d3 upon t1 plus t2 plus t3. Here d1 is how much? 40, and d2 is how much? 20, and d3 is how much? 30, and the first all the time is 1 hour. So here it will be 40 plus 20 60 plus 30 90 upon 3, that is 30 km per hour. 30 km per hour. Similarly, another question, very important question. It is an important question because it is a little bit tougher. Question. A train starts its journey and travels with 60 km per hour for first 30 minutes and travels for 90 km per hour for next 1 hour. what is average speed. So in this case the time is not equal. Time is not equal, therefore this question is a little bit tougher. So we know the formula for average speed when the speed and time is given. Speed and time is given. So what will be the formula? Average speed is equal to V1 into T1 plus V2 into T2 upon T1 plus